You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this beautiful word. If you want to learn more French vocabulary, including from French cuisine, baking, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll love learning from. French pronunciation here is as pâtissier, all right? It makes the word pâtisserie. Pâtissier is the baker. Pâtisserie is what is being baked. Pâtissier is the French pronunciation. Pâtissier. The accent doesn't really do that much on the A. I mean, academically, yes, it does modify a bit the sound pâtissier, but don't worry too much about this because even the French don't really apply this rule. Pâtissier, pâtissier. In English, it's pronounced pâtissier, pâtissier. And now you know the correct pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.